Welcome to Car Garage. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda CR-V, a reimagined SUV that blends style, power, and practicality into one remarkable package. The 2025 CR-V is a product of Honda's state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Built with precision in North America, this SUV stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to quality and innovation. High-strength steel, advanced robotics, and meticulous craftsmanship ensure durability and safety you can trust. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda CR-V packs a punch. It's powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 190 horsepower and 179 lb-ft of torque. The hybrid variant offers a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine, combined with electric motors for a total of 204 horsepower. Both options deliver impressive acceleration, fuel efficiency, and that signature Honda reliability. Speaking of performance, the CR-V hits a top speed of around 124 miles per hour, with smooth handling and an advanced all-wheel drive system for added confidence. Whether you're zipping through city streets or tackling off-road trails, this SUV is designed for everyone. Families will love the spacious cabin and advanced safety features like Honda Sensing, while professionals will appreciate the sleek design and tech-loaded interior. It's a perfect fit for daily commuters and adventurers alike. The 2025 Honda CR-V combines Honda's legendary engineering with modern sophistication. It's reliable, powerful, and ready to take on whatever you throw at it. If you're looking for an SUV that checks every box, this might just be the one. Thanks for tuning in to Car Garage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the hottest cars of 2025. Drop your thoughts on the CR-V in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.